Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account permanently. First thing, let's launch the Facebook app. Then you want to click on the top right corner where you see the actual gear icon. Then you want to click on Meta Account Center. You click on it. Then you want to click on Account Settings, and the option that we're looking for is Personal Details, the second option. When you're in Personal Details, you want to click on Account Ownership and Control. Here, very important, you have three different options. The options that we're going to focus right now will be deactivation or deletion of the account. If you click on both, you will see that you will have all your Facebook accounts in your Instagram pages. In my case, probably you do have as well multiple different pages and accounts, right? So the options that you will have is to select the page or the account that you want to delete or deactivate. The difference between them is that when you deactivate the accounts or the pages, you could simply wait and not do anything, and the pages still will be out there, meaning they're not going to be deleted. The difference between deletion and deactivation is that when you actually click delete the page or the account, you will have up to 30 days to go back and log in again and recover the account. If you don't do so, the account or the page will be deleted. This is why you want to make sure that you understand the difference between deactivation and deletion. If you want to permanently delete the page or the account, all you gotta do is to select the page or the account from this particular list that will appear over here, depend on your account. And then you have to click on it, and then you have to log in with your password and username. After you log in, you will be able to click deactivate or delete. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.